Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So here I'm coming up with creating some V-Ray realistic materials in 3ds Max. So let's get started. So what we will be doing over here is we'll be creating some realistic materials in 3ds Max. So very first of all, we'll be creating bronze material. We'll be creating chrome, gold, steel, copper, aluminium, mirror, color, tinted glass. Okay, that's it. So as you can see, we'll be covering this tutorial in two parts over here. So let's get started. So very first of all, what we'll be doing over here is let's take a plane. I'll go into rendering, render setup, and I'll activate V-Ray over here. After that, let's go into material. Let's give a V-Ray material for this floor over here. Let's go into the bitmap and I'll assign this texture over here for this. If you want to give some reflections, you can give the reflections also. After that, I'll be creating an HDRI over here. Let's go into the material. I'll go into get material and I'll take a V-Ray HDRI. Let's call a HDRI map over here. Let's make the mapping size as spherical. Now let's go into rendering, go into the environment, and let's just drag this, make it instance over here. Okay, so once you're done over here, so let's start with the first material, that is your bronze over here. So let's take a teapot over here. So first teapot for the bronze material. Let's go into the material. I'll just increase this. 6 is okay. Let's go into material. Let's take a V-Ray material. Let's name this as bronze over here. So we have few values over here for creating such kind of material over here. So let's go into the diffuse. I'll set some brownish color for that. So I'll take the value R as 28, 12 and 5 for this. So I'm setting some values over here. I'll go into the reflect property. As you know, we can set up some reflections. So I'll set some reflective properties over here. Let's click OK. We are going to keep some R glossiness value 2.8 over here. Fresnel IOR, I'll activate this. I'll keep this as 17 over here. And you need to activate the subdivisions also. So let's go into rendering, render setup. Let's go into V-Ray, image filter. Let's go down, use local subdivision, activate this. I'll increase it to 32 over here. Max depth, I'll keep it as 7 over here. Okay, so as you can see over here now, I have made few changes for this, and let's just assign this over here. and let's just render it. Okay, so that's your bronze material. So let's go again into this. So as you can see, we have made few changes over here. Okay, now the second material which we'll be creating, that would be your chrome material. So for the chrome, let's take this teapot. Let's again go into this. Let's rename it as chrome over here. Into the chrome, again let's go into the diffuse over here. So I'll define some color and reflectivity. Let's go into the reflection parameters. Let's click OK. I'll keep the arc glossiness to 0.99. Fresnel IOR, I'll keep it as around 22 to 25 over here. As usual, your subdivisions will keep it as 32 and your max depth will keep it as 8 to 10. And let's just assign that over here and let's see the render. Okay, so you got a chrome material over here. So as you can see, so reflectivity, arc glossiness, as you can see over here, we can work with that properties over here. You can change the properties also. So this is what your arc glossiness is. So if you reduce it and if you render it, you will see that it will give you more of a satin material. See this, more of a satin. Okay, so if you increase it, that's what. So I just increase it 0.99 or 0.94. That's how it will work. Now we can again render and see. You get high reflections over here. Okay. Now the third material which we are going to over here is your gold. How to create a gold material? Let's again take a V-Ray material. Let's just rename this as gold over here. So I'll make it as 000. You can just keep it as black. That's what. If you go with a 111, it will give you that's your 255. That would be your white. So better what I'll do over here is like I'll set the value to 0 over here. After that, let's again go into the reflect. And we'll set some values over here as 246. I have some values over here. 180, you can keep to 180 to 185. Your color values over here. That's it. And let's click OK. Our glossiness, I'm going to keep it as 1. Fresnel reflections, I'm going to off it. So Fresnel IOR, that would be 1.6. Your subdivisions, I'll keep it as 9. And max depth as 5 over here. So Fresnel IOR I haven't changed. So let's just apply and see how it looks like. Okay, that's a gold. Can you see? So let's render this all three. You'll get an idea over here. one is your bronze, one is your chrome, and one is your gold. So we'll create one more, that would be your steel. So we'll be creating a steel material. So let's just again take a copy of it. Let's just put it over here. Let's again go into the material. Let's take a V-Ray material and let's just name it as steel over here. So for the steel, same, we'll just make it as black over here. Your reflective property, I think, okay, that is perfect because we want to create heavy reflection. So if you push it more towards the white, definitely is going to be more reflective over here. Our glossiness, I'm going to keep it around 0.7 or 0.8. 0.8. Fresnel IOR, I'm going to keep it around 21 over here. Subdivisions, I'll keep to around 18. And max depth to 5. And let's just assign that. And let's see the render. Okay. So there is hardly much difference between a chrome and a steel property, but you will definitely see that steel, our glossiness is a bit lesser. If you look at it properly, you will get to see that there is more of a satin look. So if you increase the R glossiness, it is going to jump towards the chrome. See this. See, perfect. So let's reduce this value. So this value, that's your R glossiness, is going to be lesser. Okay. Now let's just render and see how it looks like. So there's a difference over here. So these are your 4 materials which I have created. So make sure you are putting some HDRI map in the background to make it look more interesting. Okay, so let it render. Alright. So the remaining materials like your copper, aluminum, mirror, color tinted glass and glass, these properties will be definitely covering it up in the coming tutorial. So guys, if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So these are the 4 materials which you have seen over here. Okay. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.